what if I told you you can create 100% original music without a studio, without expensive software, and without paying a single penny? Yes, I'm talking about unlimited music generation for free. And the craziest part? You can use it on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, anywhere you want. No copyright stress, no limits, no excuses. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create original music using Google Gemini. Whether you want instrumental beats, full songs with lyrics, background music for videos, you can do it all on any device, mobile, laptop, or PC. And yes, it's 100% free to create, completely original, and you can generate as much music as you want. So if you're a content creator, YouTuber, or just someone who loves music, this might be the easiest and smartest way to start creating your own tracks today. Now, let's get started. First, open Google Gemini on your device. To start creating music, you'll need to sign in. So go ahead and tap on the Sign In button. Now, log in using your Google account. If you don't have one yet, no worries. Just click on Create Account and follow the steps to set up a new account. It only takes a minute, and once you're done, you'll be ready to start creating your own music. For now, I'm going to log into my account. Now, this is the main dashboard of Google Gemini. From here, you can ask questions, generate ideas, create content, and even bring your creative projects to life, all in one place. You'll notice a clean and simple interface with the input box right in the center where you can type anything you want Gemini to do. Below that, you'll see several quick options like creating images, writing content, and more. These are shortcuts designed to help you get started faster. In short, this is your creative workspace where everything begins. Now, let's focus on creating music. Here, you can create music by clicking on Create Music. If you don't see the Create Music option here, simply click on the Tools icon and then select Create Music. Once you do that, you'll be ready to start generating your own original tracks in just a few steps. Now, Google Gemini gives you a variety of music styles to choose from, so you can pick whatever fits your vibe, whether that's Randy B, rap, pop, workout, cinematic, or something else. Now, depending on what you want to create, you have two main options. If you're looking to generate a short track, up to about 30 seconds, go ahead and select Fast. But if you want a full-length song with more detail and structure, choose Thinking. Next, you'll need to type in a prompt describing the kind of music you want. Be as specific as possible. Mention the style, mood, tempo, instruments, or even the type of vocals you're looking for. Once your prompt is ready, click on the Submit icon, and then give it a moment. It usually takes a few minutes for Gemini to generate your music. Now, here's something important you need to know. If you just type a basic or vague prompt, the results can be very inconsistent. Sometimes the music turns out really good, but other times, it might not sound great at all. So if your first result doesn't sound right, don't worry. That's completely normal. In the next step, I'll show you how to write better prompts to consistently create high-quality, original music. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to create professional quality music using Google Gemini. Here, we'll cover two types of music you can create. First, instrumental music, and second, a full song with lyrics. Let's start with instrumental music. I'll show you how to create original instrumentals, just like professionals do. First, head over to ChatGPT. Now paste the prompt I've provided. I've also added it in the pinned comment for you. And if this is helping you so far, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Once you paste the prompt, all you need to do is add your preferred music genre. For example, trap, EDM, lo-fi, or anything you like. You can also customize the prompt however you want to match your style. After that, click on the Send button, and ChatGPT will generate a detailed, professional music prompt for you. Now, simply copy that prompt. Next, head back to Google Gemini and paste the prompt right here. If you want a short track up to 30 seconds, select Fast. Or if you want a full-length track with more depth and detail, select Thinking. Now click on the Submit icon and give it a few minutes to process. Once it's ready, Google Gemini will generate a professional quality music track for you. You can click here to listen to the music, and if you like it, you can also download it directly to your device from here. Now I'm going to show you how to create a full song with lyrics using Google Gemini. First, click on the new chat icon to start fresh. Next, head over to ChatGPT and paste the prompt I've provided. You'll find this prompt in the pinned comment below. And if this video is helping you, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. It really supports the channel. Now, inside the prompt, simply add your music genre. For example, pop, hip-hop, EDM, or anything you prefer. You can also customize the prompt to match your style and creativity. Once you're done, click on the Send button, and ChatGPT will generate a professional, detailed music prompt for you. Now go ahead and copy that prompt. Next, head back to Google Gemini and paste the prompt right here. Once everything looks perfect, select Create Music. Then hit the Submit icon and give it a few minutes to process. After that, Google Gemini will generate a complete, professional-style song with lyrics. Now imagine this. You can create unlimited, original music anytime you want. No copyright issues, no expensive software, no skills required. And most people still don't know this exists. So the real question is, what are you going to create next? If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more powerful tools, AI tutorials, and money-making ideas, and comment music if you want me to share high-quality prompts that generate even better results every time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.